In this video, we're going to look at how we can take our D5 render and present it through a video. So the first thing we're going to start with is going into our movement mode and set it to fly. This way we can use our arrow keys to move forward, backward and sideways, as well as using Q and E to move up and down. This way we can kind of simulate the movement of someone moving through the space. So to set our scenes, we're going to click on this video button in the top right. And then every time we click this add view button, it's going to set it as a point in the fly through that it's going to navigate its way through. So if we just keep moving through our space and clicking the little video buttons beside our set frames, then we can keep adding points throughout our fly through video for it to travel through. So let's just keep doing that through other points through our project, so our video can navigate its way through our space. Now when you're happy with all the frames you've got set up, you'll see the total time at the end. We can click into that and change the amount of time that we want, so that way it'll go slower or quicker through all of the frames, however you plan on having your render. If you hit the play button under the screen that shows your video, you can preview how your render is going to flow through each of the spaces. It may be heavy and laggy, but when you export it properly, it should smoothen out. Another method to set up your fly-through render is to use preset scenes on the side. So what you can do before you enter the video tab is you can click through your spaces to certain areas that you want to show, and you can hit that little plus button at the top where it says scene list. That way you can then click into these set views and add them individually. Using this method, you're essentially going to allow yourself to predetermine or pre-set up hero shots that you want to show in your render and set each of those to a frame. That way your fly-through video will navigate its way through your best moments of your project. What you can do from there is just grab your scenes and drag and drop them into a specific order, depending on if you want one earlier or to help the spaces flow better into each other. From there we can again press play and preview how this fly through is going to navigate its way through each of these hero shots. So after all your clips have been put together how you'd like, the final step is to actually export the render video. So in the bottom right, first you can set up your resolution, your format and your frame rate. We're just going to leave it how it is for now. After that, we'll go down to the bottom right where there's the little box with the plus, add that to our render queue. Then if we go up to the top right where there's the similar box, we can click into that, click the clip that we want to render, and then hit save and render, which will start exporting our video. And as you go through your project and model it up further, you can use this method to end up with a really cool presentation video similar to this one at the end of your project.